welcome to my channel. My name is Shondi. If you haven't already been here, today we're going to do a makeup video. This is just what I do. It may not be 100% correct. You may see me using some products wrong. You may see me using some of the wrong brushes. Feel free to let me know in the comments if I need to change it up a little bit. But this is just what I would do on like a regular basis. Nothing really glamorous. I would say it's more like natural. I don't know anything about makeup, but to me it's natural. So I normally start with a primer. I can't find it right now, so we're just going to go straight into the makeup. So I don't know how much of this you're supposed to use, but I always go like, and this is mine, so I put it right on my face. Maybe I'm not supposed to, I don't know. Ooh, that's a lot. It's okay. And then I just blend it out. I have a large birthmark on my face and like my neck. On this, you probably see it everywhere. When I do my makeup, I do not try to cover that. I do like a light layer of foundation. So if you end up seeing my birthmark, don't be like, oh, she didn't do a good enough job covering her face, because that's just really not a major goal of mine. I don't feel like I used a lot, but everybody is different. So after I do that, I take my concealer. It's a L'Oreal concealer, and I pop that under there. Sorry, mommy, looking into the I should cover it up completely, but I'm looking into the mirror right here. And don't mind my edges and stuff. I felt like, why do it if I was about to put makeup on? I could just do it after. That might be backwards, I don't know. After this, I go in with my Revolution baking powder. I use loose setting powder from, I don't know the brand, it's a B and an R on it. This I usually have some roses. Y'all, my primer is right here. Usually I have the eyebrow dip, like gel stuff that I put on my eyebrows, but lately I have just been using a pencil because I left that at home when I went to Nashville and I haven't bought anymore, so I'm pretty much stuck with the gel, not the gel, with the pencil. There's no problem. I'm just filling in a little, and I do this real lightly because I already have light eyebrows, so I don't need nothing too dark. But this one, I don't know, this one in the shade, this one light, so I'm gonna leave it. Go back. I don't do blush because I just don't like to do it. This is the part I would do my eyebrows. Not even close. And then finish before the sun goes down. I'll go outside and let you see how it looks in the sun. Well, not really the sun because it's pretty late. It's like 8 o'clock. But it's setting, so it's still a little sun out there, I guess. If you hear anything in the background, that is my fan and my purifier for my room. So after that, I go on top of my eyebrow with my foundation. I think I could see because the ring light over here, but it actually makes it harder to see because of the glare. I honestly might leave this one alone because I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. Put some of the little shimmer on there, a little highlight. Not really sure where the highlight goes. If it looks bad, this video is not getting posted. I can't see with this light. I think I did alright. I live in Nashville now, and it's always hot to me, so usually I don't really put on no makeup. And if I am doing something where I want to like put some makeup on, what I'll do is literally I'll just do my eyebrows and put on some lipstick, to be honest. I don't like how this one is on there. Then I'll go in. I want to do this with other colors, but I don't like colored stuff on me, like red and stuff. And then I used to drag it down to the middle, but lately I have not been doing that. I'm just going in like this. So I'm gonna drag mine down like this. And I got this lip color from Five Below. It's Wet n Wild Cloud Pout. I'll show you. Can't tell if you can see it because I don't have this facing forward, it's facing backwards. Then I go in with a NYX butter gloss, even though I already messed up what I was doing. Light color to lighten it up a little bit. A lip gloss. Did what I do? See, the hair gonna bring it together even if it look crazy, y'all. This isn't edge control. It's the stuff people use to braid hair. Like the little gold honey gel. I feel like it's softer on my edges and baby hairs than edge control. It doesn't stay, but I don't know. It's better to me than putting edge control on every day. I don't put edge control on my edges and baby hairs every day. I try to leave them alone. But when I do them, I just use this. Cause with it being so hot here, it's gonna sweat out anyway. So I really don't mind. And this is how it ended up looking. I really hope that from your side looks good, because I'm gonna be embarrassed if I done did that video and it's not cute, you know? I feel cute. Let me get it. What's up? I think it's cute. Not too much. At least I don't think it's too much. Look cute with the hair down. And then I guess I will take y'all outside with me and we'll see how I look out there. I'll take some pictures out there too. So yeah, I'm just gonna say, well, I guess I won't say nothing. I'll just go take y'all outside and we'll see how it looks. So I'm outside and this is how my makeup looks in the real lighting. It's really hot out here. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to do next.